When the machine is sewing, you see the oil is boiling. 继续推，不停，不要停，不要停。Also, the oil mark we can see. Normally, we need to keep the oil between the two lines. That is the proper quantity of oil. It must be between the two lines, two bars within the oil mark. If it is too much oil, it will be leaking outside. That is, if you put more oil over the first red bar, it is too much. It is less than the lower bar, it will be less, not enough oil. So normally we add oil between the two red lines. Usually we will add oil every 1 or 2 months, depends on your work. Finish.